Hey guys, it's me Monica and welcome back to Monica's Inside Blogspot. So today's video is gonna be an interesting one. I'll be sharing with you all 10 major hacks of using coconut oil on your skin, and this little munchkin can also replace your expensive products and give you some healthier skin benefits. So yes, let's start the video, and before starting the video, please do not forget to subscribe and click that red big button to subscribe. Please subscribe it guys, so that in future you'll get to know useful contents related to my videos. And yes, let's start it now. So guys, before starting this video, I would request you all to do some patch test of using coconut oil. So how does that work? You just have to apply coconut oil over here and keep it for at least 24 hours and see if you get some redness or some reaction to it. If you get that, that means you have some allergy towards it and you cannot apply it on your face as well as on your skin. And if you don't get that, so you can definitely try this hack. Hack number 1, using coconut oil as a makeup remover. So guys, I personally use coconut oil to remove my makeup, and trust me, I have used so many products like cleansing water, then oil based cleansing milk, and all this product doesn't work for me. And then I got to know about coconut oil, and I have been using this for 2 years now, and I've got some amazing benefits. So I think you should also try. What you have to do is take some 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil on your palm, rub it nicely, apply it all over your face. Do not rub or massage it onto your skin. Then let it sit for at least 2 seconds, and then wipe it off with your clean towel or cotton pad, or you can use tissue paper as well. And I think this hack will definitely work for you all. So let's see the next hack. So hack number 2, using coconut oil as a night cream. So guys, I use coconut oil as my night cream before going to my bed. The antioxidants in coconut oil really works great for your wrinkles as well as for your fine lines. So how to use coconut oil as night cream? So what you have to do is you just have to take 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil onto your palm, massage it really well onto your skin, and if you think that you have some excess oil on your face, you can just tap it with your clean towel or tissue paper. So yes, and leave it overnight. So after you wake up in the morning, you will feel that your skin is more softer and well hydrated. Now let's see what is hack number 3. So hack number 3, making tinted lip gloss with coconut oil. So if you're finished with your favorite lip gloss, you can make it at home as well. So what you have to do is take any of your old lipstick, warm it up a little bit and add it to your coconut oil, and yes, your tinted lip gloss is ready. And thank me later for this guys. So hack number 4, using coconut oil as an under eye cream. So guys, I personally don't like to spend extra money on these things, and I hope none of us would like to spend. So how to use it? You just have to take some coconut oil, and if you have some essential oil, you can add that too. But I only use coconut oil under my eyes, so I just tap my ring finger into it and dab it under my eyes. So this coconut oil can help you remove the puffiness under the eyes and the fine lines also. So let's see the next hack. So hack number 5, how to make lip scrubber with coconut oil. So as you all know, coconut oil always hydrates your skin, and our lip skin is very sensitive. So what you have to do is take 2 teaspoons of sugar, add some coconut oil into it and scrub it all over your lips, and you'll get an amazing result. You'll see that your lips will feel more hydrated and softer. Hack number 6, how to use coconut oil as an eyelash growth serum. So guys, this is one of my favorite hack. So thanks to many of the fatty acids that are found in coconut oil, these fatty acids help us to grow our eyelashes, and if you want to use it for your brows, you can use it. So how to do it? You just have to take some coconut oil. You can take some brush or anything that you want, dip it into it and apply it all over your eyelash, and you can use it for your brows as well. So yes, this was hack number 6, and let's jump on to hack number 7. Hack number 7, use coconut oil as a cuticle oil. So guys, another use of coconut oil is cuticle oil as well. So if you have got some cracked nails or cracked cuticle, what you have to do is you just have to take some oil, massage it really well in your nails and leave it overnight, and within a week you'll find an amazing result. Hack number 8, how to use coconut oil as a body lotion. So guys, you can always keep using an expensive body lotion and replace it with your favorite coconut oil. So what you have to do is take some coconut oil, apply it all over your neck, all over your hands and legs, and do not forget to apply it on your elbows as well, because this is the most drier place. This coconut oil will always hydrate your skin and make it look healthier. Hack number 9, using coconut oil for frizzy hair. So guys, if you have frizzy hair like me, so what you can do is after washing your hair, you can just take 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil, rub it nicely on your palm and just crunch it on your hair, so the frizziness will settle down and you'll get a shiny look as well. Hack number 10, how to use coconut oil as a base for shaving. So guys, if you want to get a closer shave that leaves your skin smooth instead of drying it out, you can use coconut oil. So how to do it? So before shaving, you just have to apply some coconut oil in your hand and just shave it, and after this you'll find an amazing result. So guys, if you find this video informative, please like it, comment down below your opinion so that I'll get to know, and share it with your family as well as with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Please guys, subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.